Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to play an animated Sprite2D animation using AnimationPlayer in Godot. Here I have my 2D scene. Inside the player node, I already have an animated Sprite2D, and inside it, I've created animations called idle and walk. You can see these inside the Sprite Frames resource. If I preview them, they work correctly. Now let's add an animation player. Right-click on the player node, add child node, search for AnimationPlayer, and add it. Now we have Player, AnimatedSprite2D, AnimationPlayer. Perfect. Select the animation player. Click Animation, New, and create a new animation. Let's name it Walk Anim. Set the length to something short, like 1 second. Now here's the important part. Click Add Track, choose Property Track. Select the AnimatedSprite2D node. From the property list, choose Animation. This property controls which animation name the sprite plays. Now at time 0, click the key icon and set the value to Walk. Make sure it matches the exact animation name from AnimatedSprite2D. Now add another track, this time choose Call Method Track. Select AnimatedSprite2D. At time 0, insert a key. Choose the method Play. Now let's trigger this animation from code. Select the player node and open the script. Inside Ready, write this code. Now when the game starts, the animation player will trigger the walk animation. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next Godot tutorial.